guys and gals. Looks like we got us here a sure enough genuine outlaw right here in Grunt, Texas. Yep, says so right here. Samuel Shifty Saltman, AI outlaw, wanted for voice thievery and digital trickery against seniors. Now, these last couple of episodes, we've been visiting and learning a thing or two, pondering on what this AI, artificial intelligence, is. We've been learning about it and learning how it might help us get by in our day-to-day lives, yes sir. But today, we got to talk about a different topic, a serious topic, and that would be AI scamming. You see, when this artificial intelligence gets in the hands of them low-down scoundrels like Shifty, well, bad things start to happen. They figured out how to use AI to clone the voices of our kids and our grandkids. And once they have them voices, well, brother, they can make them say whatever they want them to say to get into the billfolds and the purses of old guys and gals like you and me. No siree, that ain't no speculation. The FBI reports that last year, these AI scams cost Americans nearly $900 million. Did you hear that, folks? $900 million scammed. And you want to know the number one target? You guessed it. Old guys and gals, grandparents like you and me. So we better pay attention, keep our wits about us. Come on along, old guys and gals, let the old guy show you how it works. 'Cause I'll tell you one thing. Old Shifty, yep, he messed with the wrong grandpa this time.
Let's see what Lila Bell's been posting for the whole world to hear.
Hey y'all, I just found the cutest little coffee shop downtown and I'm literally obsessed. You have got to try the lavender latte.
10 seconds, that's all I need. Hey y'all, she's mine. Folks used to say you could always tell a fake. Robotic, glitchy. Not anymore.
I need you to send money, Grandpa, like right now.
There she is. Sounds just like kinfolk, don't she? Same voice, same girl. Even her own grandpa wouldn't know the difference.
Hello?
Grandpa, it's me, Lila Bell.
Lila Bell? Honey, is that you? What's wrong, darling?
Grandpa, I'm in trouble. I got in a wreck and they're saying I have to pay right now or they're gonna... I don't know what to do. I'm so scared.
Slow down, Lila Bell. Are you hurt? Where are you?
I'm okay, but I need you to send money, Grandpa, like right now. They gave me a number to send it to. Please just don't tell Mom. She'll freak out. Just send it and I'll explain everything, I promise.
All right, darling, you just hold on just a second now. Something about this don't seem right. What I thought. Nice try, Shifty. Better luck next time, you scoundrel. Morning, old guys and gals. Well, I gotta tell you, that there phone call from Lila Bell, why, it shook me right to the core. I don't know. I was this close to sending that money, brother, this close. But something in my gut told me, hold up, old guy. Something about this don't smell right. Something fishy going on here. So I texted her at the number I had in my contacts for my Lila Bell. And of course, she answered right away. Yeah, 'cause she's always on that phone. You know, if I had a nickel for every time I've gotten onto that girl about that phone, Lila Bell, turn that thing off. We're having a discussion. Lila Bell, we're at the dinner table. Turn it over. Turn it off. No, she's on it all the time still. And I reckon that her being on that phone like she was, and texting me right back, well, I reckon that saved the old guy's bacon. Come on inside. The old guy'll show you exactly what he done. Now, our new acquaintance, Claude, why, he come up with a name for that move. Yep, he called her the gotcha move. I kind of like that. Got a ring to it. The gotcha move. And it's simple, only 3 steps. Yes, sir. Number 1, you hang on. Somebody calls you in a panic, telling you need to send them some cash. Well, you just hold on right there. Don't get in a rush. Take your time. Second, you text that person that you think is asking for money at their number, the one that you have in your contacts on your phone. Yep, make sure it's them. Confirm that the person who's asking is the person that you know and is in your contacts. And third, you verify before you send, my friend. No money moves until you are sure that the person who's asking you for that cash, well, that's the actual person that you know and is in your contacts. Just as easy can be. And the beautiful thing about that, old guys and gals, well, these younger folks in our lives, our grandsons and granddaughters, nieces and nephews, why, they're always going to answer us back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. And why? Because they always have that phone on. And I reckon, for once, that's exactly what we want. Old guys and gals, here's what I need you to do. Let's share this episode with somebody you care about. Old guys, old gals, and grandkids too. That's our crew. You know, here's the deal. Our grandkids, they need to know that their voice is out there for some old scoundrel, some old rapscallion like Shifty. We need us a plan, old guys and gals. We need us a gotcha plan. I reckon there's some of you old guys and gals out there, why, you're smarter than 3 of the old guys. So, you got a good idea, a way to help with this here problem we got with AI duplicating our loved ones' voices, I want you to put that sucker down there in the comments. And brother, we'll be sharing the best ideas amongst us. It's what we got to do. We got to get after it together. That way we're not facing it alone. When we're up against them characters like old Shifty, we need all the help we can get. Yes, we do. Oh, old guys and gals, I reckon it's time for us to wrap this episode up at the Old Guy Does AI. We appreciate you stopping by. As always, if you wouldn't mind pushing that little button, the one that, we talked about. It's a button. You can push it. Everybody loves pushing buttons. Give us the old thumbs up, would you? We'd much appreciate it. Also, if you're a new fella, hit that subscribe button. You can come back around and visit us from time to time. And there's the little ringy-dingy bell thing that you can tap. Get a notification when the old guy gets his grits together and gets another episode out. Good to see you all. Hope to see you again soon. Till then, y'all be safe, you hear? Remember, you are smart, you're kind, and by gosh almighty, you're important to this old guy. Remember that. See you later. And whatever you do, don't squat with your spurs on. You hear me?